this tutorial, I'm looking at the counter step of the quest system in the Space Virtual World platform. I'm going to get the user to find some tools. I add a new step to my quest and I set the type to counter. I can lay out an array of objects in my scene as collectible items. In this case, I'm laying out some spanners. To each, I can add either the quest counter clickable or quest counter proximity component. As the names suggest, one requires the user to click the target and collect it. The other only requires the user to be within a certain radius that you define on the item. I'm going to use the quest counter clickable for these. Either way, I then use the token ID field to add a free text code that associates the counter with the step in the quest. This can be any ID that I add. I'm just using a 3-digit number. Again, I can use the area hint function to lead the user to the general area where they need to search. The navigation line can't be used to lead the user to each individual counter, however, as they are effectively collectible in parallel. In the number required field here in the step, I define how many the user needs to collect for the step to complete and the quest to move on. That might be the exact same number that I've laid out, requiring them to find everything, or it could be less. I could drop dozens and just require them to find a few. In the next tutorial, I'm going to look at the branch NPC step type, which allows you to create alternate branching paths for your players to go down.